Are you getting ready to start cosmetology school or even considering going to cosmetology school? Well, here in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 things that you must, okay, this is a must, that you must do while you are in cosmetology school. Hi you guys, I'm Akira and welcome back to my beauty lounge. Or if you are new here, then welcome to my beauty lounge. Here I share helpful tips, tutorials, and advice for aspiring cosmetologists. Make sure you subscribe to instantly become a part of the VIP crew. This is just from my personal experience and things that I've learned along the way, what I wish I would have done while I was in cosmetology school. So the first thing that you must do while you are in cosmetology school, I would say, is to start building your portfolio. And whether it's, you know, stuff that you do in class or mannequins or stuff that you do outside of school. Once you finish school, you'll already have your portfolio ready when you're ready to start job searching, and you'll already have a visual representation of your work. Also, another thing that you may want to take in consideration when building your portfolio is use some of your family members, or find a model on social media or someone that you meet in a grocery store. It does not matter. Find a model who will be happy to help you build your portfolio. So the second thing that I recommend that you do while you are in cosmetology school, which is to participate in everything. Participate in everything that your teacher wants you guys to do. Participate in all the activities that your teacher may have you guys do. Participate in hair shows, fashion shows, competitions, whatever it is. That helps to push your creativity. You know, hair shows, personally, that's not really my thing. That's not my area. I'm not super creative when it comes to, you know, hair show hair and all the, you know, all the wild stuff that they do in hair shows. That's not really my thing. But I still participated, for one, because it was a part of my grade, and for two, it tested my creativity and it pushed me in a direction that I haven't been pushed in before. So the third thing that I recommend that you do while in school is to practice. You need to practice every chance you get. I was so determined when I was in school. I would come home 10 o'clock at night practicing what I learned in school, practicing a new hair cutting technique. Practice any chance you get. Practice on your classmates. Like I said, family and friends is probably your best bet. Practice on them. It's very important to always continue to practice, because practice does makes perfect. Granted, we are not all perfect, but it helps to get your skills levels up. Even me, I've been out of school for a couple of years now, and I still practice new things that I see or whatever it is that I feel like I need to work on. So the fourth thing that you must do while in cosmetology school, you guys, this is probably like one of the most important ones. All of them are important, but this one is something that has stuck with me since I heard it from one of my educators. Make mistakes. I know, that sounds crazy. That sounds crazy to tell somebody to make a mistake, right? But don't we always learn from our mistakes? Well, some of us more than others, but we still learn from our mistakes. And my teacher used to always tell me is, beauty school is the place to make mistakes. It's better for you to make a mistake while you're in school, while you have a teacher there to help you correct it, than to be out in the real world on a real client to make a mistake where you're pretty much on your own right there. Make all the mistakes. Don't try to make them intentionally, but if you happen to make a mistake, don't beat yourself up over it. It's important to learn from those mistakes, and mistakes really do help you grow. Next thing that you want to do while you're in cosmetology school is start to build up your cosmetology resume. Yes, I know you may not have any experience in the field as far as work goes. Some of you may have experience being in a salon. What I would recommend for you to do is to sell yourself. Sell yourself on your skills, what you specialize in, things that you are really good at. Highlight that point in your resume. If you have customer service experience, retail, reception experience, those can kind of tie into cosmetology, because you will have to include all of those things together in cosmetology. You deal with customer service, you may have to do reception at one point in time. Qualities that can show an employer that you are qualified for this position. And also, this leads into my next one, is to start researching the type of salons that you want to work in. So in school, I believe we touched up on the different type of salons that you can work in. So there are, I'm just going to name a few. You can work at a commission, an hourly, or you can booth rent a salon. So you definitely want to research the type of salon that you think you would want to do once you finish school, or even while you are in school. Some places hire assistants. You could be a shampoo assistant. Start looking for those type of jobs while you're in school. That way you're learning state board side of it and the book part of it, and then you'll also be getting the hands-on experience while you are in school. That way what you learn outside of school, you can also apply it to your life inside of school, and what you learn inside of school, you can apply it to what you do outside of school. And the last thing that you want to consider while you are in cosmetology school is to start canvassing your area. See what type of salons are in your area. Go speak to some of the owners and get to know them and introduce yourself, and let them know that you're in school, and maybe ask if they have an assistant position, something like that. That way you can get your feet wet while you are at school. Like I said, I would hate for you to be in a position as soon as you get out of school and you're looking for a job and you're like, okay, what do I do now? Get started ahead of the game. Don't wait until you're done with school to get this stuff done. You can already be 2 steps ahead of the game by the time you finish school. So when you finish school, all you need to do, schedule your exams and get going. It's very important to go ahead and start getting the ball rolling. I wish I would have done some of these things myself. What I kind of did, because I did start working in a salon about 2 months before I graduated cosmetology school, and I wasn't doing anything that was I wasn't dealing with color, chemicals, anything like that. I was just in a blow dry bar, so it didn't require anything that I shouldn't have been doing. And I was already getting ready to finish school. So yes, I would definitely go around and talk to some salon owners. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up the rest of this video. I hope you guys took some very helpful tips away from this video. That's all I'm here for, is to help. If I can just help one person, that means the world to me. And I wish I had these tips when I was going through cosmetology school, because I would have saved myself a lot of heartache while I was going through it. And this is exactly why I wanted to start my channel. And actually, when I first started my channel, I knew I wanted to help people who wanted to be cosmetologists and tell the truth about how the industry really is. But over time, I started to look around and what others was doing. I'm like, okay, maybe I need to just do this type of videos and do that. Now I found my purpose of my channel, and I'm niching it down to helping inspiring cosmetologists, or maybe even new cosmetologists. People who want to be in the industry and are hesitant on getting in the industry. I wanted to start my channel to help you guys, and also, heck, I'm helping myself, because this is like a diary and for a way for me to document my journey as well. Like I said in a few videos back, I am not nowhere near successful or where my end goal is, and however, I'm still able to sit here in front of you guys and be able to help in some way and share what I'm going through, the struggles of being in this industry, but also the upside of being in the industry, because it has its moments when you do want to give up, and it also has its moments when you have a client getting out of your chair and they're crying. Like, that makes it all worth it. So I hope that my videos can touch one of you guys and make all the difference in your day, in your world. I spread nothing but positivity on my channel. My channel is based around positivity and helping you guys out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, I say that's so wrong. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment down below if you're getting ready to start cosmetology school, or if you have any questions for me. Always drop them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.